How to create forms in Flodesk. So to get started, go ahead and open Flodesk into your browser, sign into your Flodesk account, and then head over into the Forms tab. So to create a form, you need to head over here and then click on this new form button at the top right, and that will take you into this section. So in here, you need to select your form type. So as you can see, you can find this link in bio form, pop-up form, inline form, full page form, video form, spinner form, and countdown form that you can choose from. So you can find all of the templates under these sections. So go ahead and select the type of form that you want to use. And then once you have selected it, go ahead and select a form template from there, and then click on the customize it button for that specific template that you've chosen to use for your form. So simply click on this get it button, and that will redirect you into a new page. So you need to set the segment first, and then you can get redirected into the page where you can customize the content of that form. You can add photos to that form. You can add photos from your local drive or from Unsplash or from Canva. So you just need to select from here where you want to get the image from. And then once you have added it, you can customize the text before embedding it. So click on embed at the top right once you're done, and then you can copy the code in here to embed this into the website where you want to add this. And that is how you can basically create forms in Flodesk. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.